Hey guys, welcome to Wagga Poultry Farm. This is Teacher Isa once again, but very passionate with poultry farming. Yeah, here we go. We last shared a video when we actually preparing the structure, when we're trying to summarize up the structure. So ever since then we have not had any video shoot out. So I really want to apologize. For those steps missed. But of course, here we are. Yeah, here we are. The structure is over. Take this time. I move around. I show you the preparations we have made so far ever since we last shared. So I think this is our structure. I can see it is the first structure of its kind. Yeah, we constructed actually it is twin one. Yeah, the ground floor and the upper floor. Yeah, so this is our structure. Yes, Wagga Poultry Farm. This is our structure. I think let me try to look out for good coverage. Yes, this is our structure, members. That, yeah, there's room for improvement in case the video is not coming out clearly. I know as we progress slowly we shall of course improve. Even Rome, there's a saying that even Rome was not built in one day. So it's a gradual process. Development is a gradual process, guys, wherever you are. So this is Wagga Poultry. So I think here it depicts well the picture. So where you can see the ground floor, that's the ground floor. Then of course that is the upper floor. That, like that. You can hear some funny sounds, but of course we shall reach there. We're gonna reach there. So these are our steps that takes us to the upper floor. Yes, that the steps taking us to the upper floor. So I think I'll start with the upper floor before I can go inside the ground floor. So this, guys, you can see, don't be shocked, don't be wild that the teacher is very dirty. Please, of course, this is a preparation. We have sacks of sawdust, wood shavings. So the reserve is here. Then here we have this point where I'm touching. These are sacks of maize bran, so bags of maize bran. Then I think you can look around. We have the plastic drinkers. Of course, we are preparing as the birds grow. Of course, they'll be using the big plastic drinkers, which we just hang, of course, to avoid or to prevent the birds, of course, dirtying the water easily. Then we have the plastic beaker. Sorry, members. I'm I'm used to chemistry. So we have the plastic feeders of about 10 kilograms, and I think the plastic drinkers of 10 liters. So you can see. So these clearly shows out our upper floor, or you can call it the first floor, whichever. But of course we have two, the upper and the lower. So you are welcome, guys. You are welcome, guys. This is Wagga Poultry Farm. Yeah, Wagga Poultry Farm. Yeah, that is it. Of course, I'll again move you around and take you to the ground floor. Members, you can take you to the ground floor. Yeah, here we are. So, of course, as I told you that we are growing slowly. Yeah, the project is growing slowly. So here, of course, this tarpaulin containing, large sums of quality maize bran. You can see that. I hope it comes out too well. So that is maize brand. That is our maize brand. Of course, we are drying it slowly. That is our maize brand. That's our maize brand of, I can say it is of high quality. Very nice. So that, of course, when you mix it with the broken maize or whole maize, of course, you'll be able to prepare very good quality feeds. Now in my background, I think you can see some boxes. There are some boxes, and I think you can hear some fun noise adjacent to me. So these are some boxes, guys. You can't believe it. We kept it a secret. I think here we now unveil that we have commenced. So these are boxes that, of course, that carried our day one chicks. So guys, once again, I'm sorry, or we are sorry as Wagga Poultry Farm. We have not shared with you all those previous steps, due to some, of course, some challenges or circumstances. But these are boxes, of course. I want to unveil to you today that we managed to bring in our first stock of commercial layers, about 760 birds. So kindly allow me show you our birds. There we are. This is our brooding. This is our breeding room. Yeah, of course, as I told you, yes, it comes out well. So I told you, of course, everything has a beginning. So we are beginning slowly. So this is our brooder. I think you can see. You can see the birds. They're eating. The chicks are eating. They're well, very careful, and so curious to know who is that one talking. So you can imagine. So these are our birds. Yes, you can see very healthy birds. Moving around, running around, making very many raps. So those are our birds, of course. The 66 birds that we received. So, of course, as I told you, we are unable to, of course, tell you all this from the beginning. You can see, they're coming to me. So, we brought in 766 birds, of course. This is day 4. I want to tell you that on the first day, that was day 1, we have actually received a mortality of 6. Yeah, just like in any other population, human beings, cows, goats, sheep, dogs, you know, people die. Those creatures, organisms die. Yeah, you know, death is expected, sorry, of course. But we've tried. Being the first day, we actually lost 6 birds. Then the second day, we lost 5. Day 3, we lost only 1, guys. So here today is day 4. Therefore, we have actually lost 2. I think you can see when you look at it. I think the trend, when you check on the trend, they're reducing. The mortality is reducing, and I think as I can talk, the number of birds lost, of course, compared to the number of birds received, I think if you compute, I think we are seeing the normal. I can say we are seeing the normal mortality percentage, mortality rate. Yeah. So we are seeing the normal, and we hope God will help us and, of course, achieve our target. So please, guys, I think for today, I have shared with you this, but of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, of course, even the notification bell. Of course, we shall keep on giving you more notifications. Thank you, guys. Once again, this is Mugoya Isa, the teacher who is so passionate with poultry. Thank you very much.